every time I think about Trump, I get allergic. In just a few hours, he managed to turn his trip to Mexico into an embarrassing international incident. He even got into a Twitter war with the president of Mexico. And then he delivered his most hate-filled, hardline speech yet, doubling down on his absurd plans to send a deportation force to round up 16 million people to deport them. Now, you can't make this stuff up, can you? He can try to distract with divisive, dangerous rhetoric. He can try to fool voters into thinking somehow he's not as harsh and inhumane as he seems, but it's too late. When you see what he has said and done in this campaign, when you see that he can't even go to a foreign country without getting into a public feud with the president, I think the answer is clear. Donald Trump does not have the temperament to be our commander-in-chief. Imagine him in a real crisis. I've said it before, and I believe it. A man you can bait with a tweet cannot be trusted with nuclear weapons.